In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Crunchyroll account. You can share your Crunchyroll account by giving others your login credentials. The number of devices that can stream simultaneously depends on your subscription. Fan allows 1 device, Mega Fan allows 4 devices, and Ultimate Fan allows 6 devices. To keep everyone's watch list separate, you can create up to 5 different profiles, so multiple users can watch at the same time without affecting each other's viewing history. To add a new profile, click on your profile at the top right, then select Switch Profiles and click Add New. Choose your desired background and avatar, then click Done and Save. Enter the profile name and optionally a username, then click Save again. The new profile will now appear in your account. And that's it. That's how you can share and manage profiles on Crunchyroll.